Good day, guys. This is Siptoway, and once again, I'm here to show you around the DeFi ecosystem. Today, we'll be visiting the Evmos network chain. Um, let's say it's the biggest chain right now in the DeFi space. And as we all know, that the market is very bearish. BTC, Ethereum, the top tokens, they are struggling. Literally, everyone is struggling at the moment. But the Evmos chain is standing strong, is surviving the hardship of the market. And then one of the big advantages of the Evmos chain is the Evmos chain staking platform. On the Evmos staking page, you get to earn 1,000% APR for staking Evmos token on their staking reward platform. This is why I'm showing you in this video how to stake on Evmos chain, and on the other hand, how to earn money daily with the Evmos staking reward page. Because with 1,000% APR per month, you can increase your earning to earn at least $20 per day, $100 per day. And if you have more capital, you could earn $1,000 per day by staking on the Evmos staking page. The first step to stake on the Evmos staking reward dashboard is to get the Evmos token. You can buy Evmos on the Devotion.fi DEX. It is a decentralized exchange for Evmos network tokens. To get Evmos chain USDT or USDC, all you have to do is use Connect Bridge to bridge your BEP20 or Ethereum USDT to Evmos chain USDT or USDC. And this will be made available in another video. So after getting your Evmos token, you have to connect your wallet, set up Evmos chain ID by visiting chainlist.org. After setting it up properly, you visit the staking platform app.evmos.org/staking. Then you take a scroll, you connect your wallet, you connect using MetaMask. After doing that, you select on all validators. Then you take a scroll to see through the different staking validators on the Evmos staking reward page. Now for this, I'll choose Cosmutation. Then you click on Delegate. Let's say I'll stake one Evmos. Yeah, stake one Evmos. Then you delegate. Then you click on the arrow down here. Then you sign the transaction. Then you wait for it to broadcast. As you can see the instruction here, your staking will be logged out for 14 days. And if you want to undelegate your staked Evmos, you need to wait an extra 14 days after undelegating for you to receive the tokens in your wallet. And the processes will take as much as the Evmos network is busy. So all you have to do is just you wait a while and let the transaction process. Yeah, here you go. I have successfully staked on the Cosmutation delegation. To confirm all your staking list, all you have to do is click on staking, take a scroll. Yeah, I have staked Evmos token in each of these delegates. So to calculate your earnings, I'll run a simple test analysis right now. For staking just 10 Evmos token, you are going to get 2.6 Evmos token every week. So for a month, you get 8 Evmos token. So if you want to increase your staking pool, your staking earning, your APR earning, all you have to do is increase your Evmos token staking amount on the staking reward platform. Don't forget, you stand a chance to earn $1,000 daily if you stake the right amount. Thank you and enjoy the cryptocurrency space. Have a good day.